Ade.
Mama.
Now which day na you all this one come start?
Which one?
When you start to dey wear glass give my pikin. This one na shakomede abi reckon wetin una dey call am.
Mama.
Before I know wetin I want to dey talk.
This thing no dey serious, eh?
No dey serious gini. You want make everybody come dey come my pikin all this orishirishi name. They call am ojugo, for high. Come dey give am wetin I no give am. You know say all this pikin, if they don start something from small, if they don grow finish, to collect am go dey hard for them.
Mama, this one no be recommended. Mama, Shola no fit see wetin dey from afar. She no fit read am very well.
Eh?
I asked Shola wípé this thing just start to dey happen. She said no, say e don even happen for classroom. Each time teacher dey write something for board, she no fit read am very well. I begin notice this thing when she dey watch television. I go say Shola, wetin dem write for inside television? She said she no fit read am very well because she go dey do her eye like this. Na so I carry Shola go meet doctor. Mama, when I reach doctor office, wetin I see surprise me. E even shock me. Dem say make Shola read something from board. Shola no fit read am very well. Na so doctor just prescribe glasses give her. I say doctor, no be elderly people dey always get glasses. Wetin concern small child with glasses? Na so doctor come to say when it comes to matter of glasses, anybody fit get glasses. Even pikin of 1 year old fit get glasses.
Small pikin
dey get glasses. So when it comes to eye issue, anybody can get glasses.
I don't understand now. My pikin, shey remember that my friend wey we dey take cloth together, wey we dey buy the same cloth. Now my friend get one 10 years old pikin. Wey be say that one sef, na like so you go dey cry yo, my eye yo, na headache today. All the eye go come dey bring so water. Like fish wey dey inside water wey no fit close eye. I go tell that my friend make come meet you. Whether if he carry am go meet this kind doctor, so that he go fit do the same glass wey do for my pikin. He go fit do am for herself. He eye sef go come dey okay. But my pikin,
make dem come see doctor.
You don do partial for that area.
Which partial?
You tell me say na anybody fit use glasses. You no fit carry your mama sef go. Make dem do glass for your mama, come dey do yanga for everywhere wey I go dey go for them.
Mama,
my pikin.
You no get eye issue now.
Na anybody wey get eye issue, and how e no pay me. I don hear my pikin. Thank you.
My obodo Naija people, make una gather here o. Make pikin dey wear glass, no be bad thing o. Small pikin at any age fit need to wear glasses if e no dey see well. Or pikin wey get albino too, dey always need glasses. In fact, if you no sabi, pikin wey still dey breastfeed fit need glasses. Dem no too small. Any pikin fit need am. Glasses no dey make pikin eye sink inside, and e no dey make eye bad dey go. When pikin dey complain say e no fit see things wey dey too close or dey too far, e fit be say the pikin need glasses. If the pikin no dey see well, e fit no dey pass for school sam. Pikin fit no wan dey play with im friends dem if e no dey see well too. No be all pikin wey dey wear glasses go wear am for life o. Some go still stop after eye doctor don test dem. If pikin wey no dey see well, no quickly see eye doctor when e small, the eye go bad till im grow reach adult and no go dey see well o. My people, make we help our pikin wey dey complain of eye problem and the one wey no dey complain sef. Make we take dem go see eye doctor wey go test dem when dem clock 6 months, and if we miss that one nko, at least when dem clock 2 to 3 years. Make dem go test their eye like that. Eye doctor go don check everything to dey sure say their eye dey kampe. Make our pikin dem fit grow to be big men and women wey go take care of us for old age. This message na from Restore Foundation for Child Sight, wey be the organization wey dey give education and treatment on top eye matter. If you get question wey you wan ask them about this eye matter and other eye matter for children, call them on top 0906 610 6308 or 0906 511 7712.